Have you ever noticed how fast machines are learning to think? Robot face. Here is a shocking fact. By 2026, over 300 million jobs could be affected by AI. Not in 20 years, not in 10 years, in just 1 year from now. There is something strange about today's jobs market. People work harder than ever, yet machines keep getting hired faster. AI never sleeps. AI never complains. AI never asks for a raise. So here is the real question. If AI can do your job cheaper and faster, why would companies keep humans? Fearful face. Welcome back to a channel that talks about the future of jobs. We focus on AI, automation, and smart career decisions. This video is not meant to scare you. It is meant to prepare you. AI replacing jobs is no longer a theory. It is already happening around the world. From offices to factories, from laptops to smartphones. If you ignore this topic, you risk your income. If you understand it, you gain an advantage. The future belongs to people who adapt. Today, we are breaking down the top jobs AI will replace by 2026. These are real jobs, real salaries, real people already affected. Watch till the end, because we will also share future-proof skills. Skills that AI cannot easily replace. Let's start with the first job on the list. Job number 1, customer support agents. AI chatbots work 24/7. They answer thousands of customers instantly. They never get tired or emotional. Companies save millions using AI support. Human agents are expensive and slow. To survive this shift, learn customer experience strategy. Master AI tools like chat systems. Move into problem-solving roles. Job number 2, data entry clerks. This job is highly repetitive. AI reads, writes, and sorts data faster. Accuracy is higher than humans. OCR and automation tools replace manual typing. Many companies already removed this role. To survive this shift, learn data analysis basics. Understand spreadsheets and dashboards. Move from typing to decision-making. Job number 3, content writers for basic articles. AI writes blogs in seconds. SEO articles are easy for machines. Speed matters more than creativity here. Companies choose AI for cheap content. Human writers lose low-paying work. To survive this shift, focus on storytelling and opinions. Build personal brand writing. Learn AI-assisted content creation. These jobs are not disappearing slowly. They are being replaced right now. And the next jobs are even more surprising. Job number 4, graphic designers for simple designs. AI chatbots work 24/7. They answer thousands of customers instantly. They never get tired or emotional. Companies save millions using AI support. Human agents are expensive and slow. To survive this shift, learn customer experience strategy. Master AI tools like chat systems. Move into problem-solving roles. Job number 2, data entry clerks. This job is highly repetitive. AI reads, writes, and sorts data faster. Accuracy is higher than humans. OCR and automation tools replace manual typing. Many companies already removed this role. To survive this shift, learn data analysis basics. Understand spreadsheets and dashboards. Move from typing to decision-making. Job number 3, content writers for basic articles. AI writes blogs in seconds. SEO articles are easy for machines. Speed matters more than creativity here. Companies choose AI for cheap content. Human writers lose low-paying work. To survive this shift, focus on storytelling and opinions. Build personal brand writing. Learn AI-assisted content creation. These jobs are not disappearing slowly. They are being replaced right now. And the next jobs are even more surprising. Job number 4, graphic designers for simple designs. AI creates logos in seconds. Thumbnails and ads are auto-generated. Templates replace custom beginner work. Businesses want fast and cheap visuals. AI tools deliver instant results. To survive this shift, learn branding and visual psychology. Design for emotions, not templates. Use AI as a creative assistant. Job number 5, bookkeeping and basic accounting. AI tracks expenses automatically. Invoices and reports are auto-generated. Errors are reduced with automation. Small businesses prefer AI software. Manual bookkeeping is fading fast. To survive this shift, learn financial analysis skills. Understand business strategy deeply. Move into advisory roles. Job number 6. Translators for common languages. AI translation is instant and accurate. Languages like English and Spanish are covered. Speed beats human translators. Global companies rely on AI tools. Only niche translation survives. To survive this shift, specialize in legal or medical translation. Learn cultural communication skills. Offer premium human accuracy. These jobs once felt secure. Now AI is replacing them quietly. But the future is not hopeless. The truth is simple. AI will replace jobs, but it will also create new ones. The difference is skills. Here are the top future skills to survive AI by 2026. First skill, AI literacy. Learn how AI works. Learn how to use AI tools. People who control AI stay valuable. Second skill, critical thinking. AI gives answers. Humans ask better questions. Decision-making will always matter. Third skill, creative problem solving. AI follows patterns. Humans break patterns. Innovation beats automation. Fourth skill, coding and automation basics. You don't need to be an expert. Just understand logic and workflows. Builders always survive revolutions. Fifth skill, personal branding. AI has no personality. Humans build trust and influence. Audiences follow people, not machines. Sixth skill, emotional intelligence. Leadership cannot be automated. Empathy creates real value. Human connection stays powerful. The future belongs to adapters, not complainers, not people stuck in old jobs. If you start learning today, you win. If you wait, AI decides for you. If this video helped you understand the future of jobs, make sure to subscribe right now. More videos like this are coming weekly. Check the links below. AI courses, future-proof skills, digital income resources. Invest in skills, not fear. The future is still human, just smarter.